Alright guys, come ahead to do my speakers, and I don't know if it was so much, speaker seems fine. Well, I say that, yep, the cone is actually separated right there. But I don't think it's so much the speaker that was going out. Yeah, Memphis Audio. As it was this was the surrounding. It was screwed to the outside that the speakers could screw to. And this was actually all broken up, and I think what was happening is that the terminals right there were grounding out right here on the metal part of the door. Inside metal part of the door. But I'm going to go ahead and put these in anyway. Like I said, they're cheapos. Really, really cheapos. But I should get me by. I'm not even going to use these. I already have those in there. The only thing I'm going to do is screw these on. Ow, that hurt. But yeah, these are some cheapos to get me by. I'll eventually get me some nice front component door speakers like I got on the green Jeep. But let me get this in. I'll be back. And there it goes. One side installed, and the other side's going to be the same. Just pretty much take the old speaker out. I think this one was actually a 5 1/4, either a 5 1/4 or a 6 even. I don't know. I can't find any 3.3 joules, 100 volt, 3.3 joule capacitor. But I think that's supposed to be the part number, maybe. But I don't know what size. I think that's, you know, whatever that is. It had to have an adapter. This one didn't. I just drilled 4 holes and put it right into the actual door itself. And
everybody get your hands up in the air. Get your hands up in the air. This is a sticker. Get your hands up in the air and wave them around like you just don't care.
So it's not shorting out. I can guarantee what was shorting out on this one. This speaker's probably still good. Since this adapter plastic crap broke, the speaker was like this. And with it broken, it fell down. And with it falling down, there's that this outer door and then this inner door. It was shorting out against this inner door. So so that's all that was a matter with that. But I'll definitely use these Memphis speakers for something if like it. If they're still good. I'm pretty, other than, oh well, no, that cone is split right there too. Or else there's a split right there. Oop, I don't want to pull it too much and split it any more than it is. Yeah, this cone's split in a couple spots. Is it still, I don't know. It probably still works. With it being a Memphis and all, I can almost guarantee it still works. There it is. 15 PR62. So I think this is a 6-inch. And that 6.5 inches gives it that much more. I also didn't notice these actually have LEDs in them. There's an LED there, an LED at the bottom, and over here on this side, the power comes in through this side. On this side, there's 2 attachments to put wire for the LEDs. I'm not doing that. That's a little bit too much. But anyway, get this back together, and I'll have working door speakers that aren't going to go out every time I go over a bump in the road. But, yeah. I guess I'll end this video here. But, yeah, I got working door speakers pretty much. And, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.